Hello friends, in this tutorial I will share how you can integrate Contact Palm 7 in your WordPress website. As you can see that this is a website which is hosted on WordPress. I need a Contact Palm in this WordPress website. So in this tutorial I will guide you step by step how you can integrate Contact Palm 7 in this website that in which people will contact you. So without wasting a time, let's start. Go to your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin. Click on plugin and click here add new plugin. Search for Contact Palm 7, then you will find Contact Palm 7 WordPress plugin. Now as you can see that Contact Palm 7 plugin is showing here. So now click here on install now button and now click activate button to activate this plugin in order to ready to use. Now Contact Palm 7 is ready to use. Now as you can see that in your WordPress dashboard a Contact Palm tab is created. So now click here and click on add new. So now we will create new palm here, and by copy this palm shortcode we can paste it in our WordPress page, and if our visitor visit our website and fill all the information and click submit button, then we will receive an email from that person. So type your Contact Palm name. I will type Contact Palm. So by default this is a Contact Palm already created, so if you want to use this by default or you can create by own. So this is a simple Contact Palm, your name, your email, subject and your message, and this is a submit button. So now we will click here on mail button. So as you can see that this is my email to mean that if someone from our website contact us and send a Contact Palm, then Contact Palm will send to this email. From means that if you receive an email address, you will also see that this text will also be showing on your email. Subject means that every contact have a subject. So this is by default setting. You can only change this email and this WordPress address. So by clicking a save button, our Contact Palm will be created. Click save button. So now click Contact Palm. As you can see that our Contact Palm is created, and this is a short. Copy this short code and go to your page. We will paste this short code in our contact page. This is our contact page. So now we will paste this short code here. Click here and search for text block. This is a text block. We will paste our shortcode here and click on save change button. So now as you can see that our Contact Palm is pasted here. Now click on update button. Now view this page in a new tab. So as you can see that our Contact Palm is successfully created and ready to use. So now we will check this Contact Palm that is it working or not. So I will type all the information, for example email, and click on send button. So as you can see that thank you for your message, it has been sent. Your email has been sent to the website owner. So now we will check our email address. So as you can see that our email is received successfully. This is email which I sent from website. So friends, this is a complete step-by-step method how you can create Contact Palm 7 and integrate Contact Palm 7 in WordPress website.